So the angle between y square is equal to 4x and x square plus y square is equal to 12 at the point of intersection is. Okay. So it is a parabola and it is a circle. Okay. So here is a circle here. And this is a parabola. Then this is a tangent to the parabola, and this is a tangent to the circle here. Here we want angle between the curves here. Parabola is on the circle here. This is a point of intersection. First you find the point of intersection here at this point here. Okay. Here we want a coordinate of the point up here. Okay. Therefore y square is equal to 4x. Take equation number 1 here. Then x square plus y square is equal to 12. Take equation number 2 here. Okay. So use the y square is equal to 4x here in the equation 2 here. So therefore put 1 into here. Okay. Put 1 into 2 here. It gives x square plus 4x is equal to 12 here. RHS 12 is there. So write it 12. Take left side here. X square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0 here. So quadratic equation here, two numbers are 6 and 2 here. So x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0 here. X is the common factor here. X plus 6 minus 2 is the common factor. X plus 6 is equal to 0. Hence x plus 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 2. Here x equal to minus 6 is not possible here. Okay, if you put x equal to minus 6 here, okay, so then x is minus 6 here, then y square is equal to 4 into minus of 6 here from result 1 here. Okay. Then take a square right hand side here. Y is equal to plus or minus root of 6 4s are 24 here. Minus 24. It is not a real number here. It is not a real number. So x equal to minus 6 is not possible here. Hence x equal to 2. Take here x equal to 2 here. Therefore x is equal to 2 here. Put x is equal to 2 in the equation 1 here. So put x is equal to 2 in 1. So y square 4 into 2 here. Then y is equal to plus or minus root of 8. So y is equal to plus or minus 2 root of 2. Okay. Take a plus sign only. Okay, because so you will get the 2 points here. One point is this one, other point is this one. So at both points they are having the same angle here. Therefore take only this one here. Take a positive value. Okay. Therefore your point P is 2 comma 2 root 2 here. Okay, 2 comma 2 root 2. Now differentiating 1 here. Okay. So differentiating 1 here with respect to x here. So y square differentiation is 2y into dy upon dx is equal to 4x. Differentiation is 4 here. 2 1s or 2 2s are cancelled. Take y right hand side here. Hence dy upon dx is equal to 2 divided by y. Therefore slope m1 here is the slope of the tangent here at the point of P here. Coordinate of P is so 2 comma 2 root 2 here. Therefore y is 2 root 2 here. So 2 divided by 2 root 2. 2 and 2 cancels here. Remaining is 1 divided by root 2 here. It is a slope of tangent to the parabola. Okay, this is a tangent here. Slope of tangent to this parabola is 1 by root 2 here. Okay, need to find here slope of tangent to the circle here. Now differentiating to here. Differentiating to with respect to x here. X square differentiation is 2x plus y square differentiation is 2y into dy upon dx is equal to 0 here. Take 2x right hand side here. So 2y into dy upon dx is equal to minus of 2x here. Hence 2 and 2 cancels. So dy upon dx is equal to minus of x divided by y here. So therefore m2 here. m2 is equal to dy upon dx at the point p here. So minus of coordinate of p is this one here. So x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 2 root 2 here. 2 and 2 cancels, minus of 1 divided by root 2 here. So this is m2. It is the slope of the tangent to the circle here. Then here we want angle here. So you know the formula. Tan of theta is equal to modulus of so m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 here. Therefore this is equal to modulus of here m1 is 1 by root 2 here. Minus of m2 is minus 1 by root 2. Minus this minus becomes a plus here. Plus 1 divided by root 2 divided by. So 1 plus 1 by root 2 into minus of 1 divided by root 2 here. Therefore this is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 is 2 divided by root 2 here. Divided by. Then 1 plus into minus becomes a minus here. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 divided by 2 here. Okay, therefore this is equal to, so tan of theta is equal to 2 by root 2 here. And 2 LCM, 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 becomes 1. So it is 1 by 2 here. Take this one to numerator. So 2 divided by root 2 into 2 divided by 1 here. Therefore this is equal to, so 2 into 2 divided by root of 2 here, multiplying and dividing by root 2 here. Therefore 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2 here. 2 cancels, remaining is 2 root 2 here. Take tan right hand side here. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 root 2. Okay. So tan inverse 2 root 2. This is the angle between the curves here. Okay. Which one of the following curves curves the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at right angles here? Okay. So you know that two curves cut each other right angle means an angle between the tangents at the point of intersection must be 90 degree. If a point of intersection is 90 degree, the tangent between angle between the tangent at the point of intersection must be 90 degree. Then we say that two curves cut each other at right angles here. Therefore, you know that if the condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 here, then we say that two curves cut each other at right angles here. Therefore, but find a slope of tangent to this curve here. Y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. So now differentiate here. Differentiating with respect to x here. Else 2y into dy upon dx is equal to 4a into x. Differentiation is 1 here. 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels here. Hence dy upon dx is equal to 2a divided by y here. Okay. So consider this one as m1 here. This is the slope of tangent to this parabola here. Okay. Now you check one by one here. So which one having a slope of minus y upon 2a, then that curve and this parabola cut each other at right angles here. Obviously second option here. Okay, here if you take the second option here, y is equal to e raised to minus x divided by 2a, then differentiate here, differentiating with respect to x. Hence dy upon dx here, dy upon dx is equal to e raised to minus x upon a differentiation is e raised to minus x divided by 2a into. Need to leave this here. Differentiation of minus x upon 2a is minus of 1 divided by 2a. And obviously this is what here? This is a given curve y. Therefore minus is there. Minus of y divided by 2a. So consider this one as m2 here. So m1 is 2a upon y and m2 is minus y upon 2a here. Therefore m1 into m2. So m1 m2 is equal to 2a divided by y into minus of y divided by 2a is equal to what here? Minus of 1 here. Therefore this curve means y is equal to e raised to minus x upon 2a and y square is equal to 4ax cut each other at right angles here. So B is the correct option here. Okay, if you check other three here, you will not get minus y upon 2a term here. Okay, you will not get a slope of the tangent as a minus y upon 2a. Therefore, remaining three options are not correct here. Second option is correct because here the slope of the tangent is minus y upon 2a. Okay, then its the product becomes minus 1.